Whether you want to enroll in a data science course or gain a better understanding of the industry, you will undoubtedly want to prioritize the reading of an industry-related book to gain valuable knowledge. The problem is that there are so many on the topic, and deciphering which to read when you also have a strict timeline is a little difficult. In this video, we have curated 10 data science books that you should definitely read, that are not ridiculously expensive, aka they're all free. 1. Artificial Intelligence. A Modern Approach, First Edition, by Stuart J. Russell. This book introduces the fundamentals of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Topics include search, game playing, inference, decision-making, planning, machine learning, robotics, and natural language processing. 2. Learning Deep Architectures for AI, by Yoshua Benjo. This book is a complete guide to deep learning, the most powerful technique for solving AI problems. The traditional AI approach was to break a complex problem into many small problems. By contrast, deep learning uses one or more layers of neural networks to solve the entire problem. Topics include using deep learning and neural networks for search, game playing, inference, decision-making, and more. 3. Disruptive Possibilities. How Big Data Changes Everything, by Jeffrey Needham. This book explores the impact of big data on the economy, society, culture, and the future. 4. Natural Language Processing with Python, by Stephen Bird. This book teaches the fundamentals of NLP using the Python programming language. 5. A Course in Machine Learning, by Hal Daum. This book provides a broad view of machine learning, with an emphasis on the mathematical techniques underlying the field. It also includes practical insights from two of the world's most innovative machine learning experts. 6. A First Encounter with Machine Learning, by Max Welling. This book provides a gentle introduction to machine learning, guiding the reader through the fundamentals of the field. It includes practical examples of how to apply machine learning techniques to real-world problems. 7. Understanding Machine Learning. From Theory to Algorithms, by Shai Shalev. This book provides a broad overview of machine learning, with an emphasis on the mathematical techniques underlying the field. 8. An Introduction to Data Science, by Jeffrey Stanton. This book provides an introduction to the emerging field of data science. It covers key topics in data science, including data exploration, machine learning, and big data analytics. 9. Building Data Science Teams, by DJ Pottle. This book provides practical guidance for building a data science team. It includes an overview of the data science process and case studies of data science teams. 10. Linear Algebra, Theory and Applications, by Kenneth Cutler. This book is an introduction to linear algebra and its applications. It includes discussions of systems of linear equations, matrix operations, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, determinants, and much more. In summary, if you are interested in one, or more, of the books and require any help with selecting the correct book, feel free to connect with our staff and we will be more than happy to assist you. Links are in the description below. Keep up with the latest trends and terminology in the tech space by sharing and subscribing to our channel. Tech with Fru, signing out.